Hey guys, it's me again, Chris. And today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-install ng uh, memory heatsink sa inyong DDR3 memory cards. This is a pretty old model. We all know na may DDR4 na and other models, pero this is for an old desktop PC running on an i3 processor. So motherboard is capable of running DDR3 modules only. It's LG1155 if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ikabit to and why I will also tell you kung bakit kailangan nyo na to. Reason being is if you're using your computer, of course, the more you use it, umiinit siya, and this would prevent your RAM from heating up too much. It's not gonna keep it cold. That's what your cooling system is for. Pero this should absorb most of the heat. Okay, so I got this from Shopee. It's fairly cheap, around 58 pesos each. Sa pares ito, front and back. So I was looking at the module. Wala kasi siyang instructions eh. I was trying to figure out how to attach it. Now the package came with these two pieces of heatsink covers tsaka itong tape. If you look at the DDR3 RAM, you're gonna see that the chips are at the front and the back is pretty much empty. So I'm assuming this is where we attach the tape. So let's try that right now. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach the tape to the back plate of the heatsink. Okay, so this is the back. You're gonna attach it here. We're gonna remove the adhesive. Give me one sec. I'm trying to figure it out. Ayan. Kita nyo naman na medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin. And by the way, when I received this package today, talagang pinaliguan ko ng alcohol yung package before I opened it. Can't be too careful. Well, here's how I'm gonna do it na lang kasi hindi ko siya matanggal dun sa sa white paper thingy, white sticker paper. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna attach it to the back plate first, like so. Be careful kasi meron siyang if you can see, meron siyang slots here. That's for the air. You don't want to cover those slots right there. So keep it clear. And then now I'm gonna try to remove it. Still a bit challenging, but at least yung adhesive tape nandun na sa plate mismo. So here we go. That's one. Now this doesn't make any sense to me now kasi if you would look at the tape, it pretty much covers everything. More than half of, let me focus this. It's covering more than half of the length ng actual na back plate. So I'm assuming the other half should be placed here. I hope it doesn't damage the chips though. I don't think it would. I don't think they'll design it to do that anyways. So let me try this. I'm gonna remove it. Attach it to this plate. Again, careful not to cover the ridges or the slots for the air. Remove it here. Okay, the neighbor again is fiddling with his motorcycle. It's annoying. So just ignore that, please. There we go. So the adhesive is now attached to the front and back plates. Now, if you would look at the plates, kunin ko muna yung isang pares pa na wala pang tape. Damn. Okay. Now, if you look at the plates, may kita dito na here, there's a hole here. It's like a male and female part. You attach it like that and you fold it like this. So that should keep them together. Now the adhesive is more for keeping the actual heatsink on the RAM itself. I'm gonna pause the video. The neighbors are really noisy. Give me 1 sec. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I closed the windows, hoping that the sound from his motor bike will not interrupt too much with the video. Yan ang problema pag di kami nahal na magulang mo. You find ways to get attention. I'm kidding. I'm sure he is loved by his parents. Anyway, so again, itong top part na to is just to keep them together. It's not gonna hold in place. See, I'm pressing it right now para di siya malaglag, but you know it easily slides off. So now that we have the tape on the back and front plates, ilalapat ko lang siya. You make this as straight as possible. Here's the back plate. Be careful. Always check before you attach. So back plate first. Okay, this looks good to me. So that's the back. There we go. Now, yeah, touchscreen top. I might be doing this wrong, so if you guys know how to do this better, please feel free to leave a comment. There we go. So yeah, that's how I did it. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna test it out later on. Now, not only will this dissipate the heat from the RAM, but it looks really nice too. So if you want to make your CPU look good and you don't have RGB, this can be a good option. Kasi may mga RAMs na may RGB na eh. Now, if your fans have RGB, at least it would look really nice when this gets some light on it. I'm gonna show you how it looks like on this old CPU later on once I attach it. So I'm gonna attach the other one. I'm gonna install the other one, I mean, and I'll get back to you later. Okay, so here's the actual CPU. I know it doesn't look great, but we play with the toys that God gives us. So I have the memory modules attached. I'm gonna switch it on, see how it looks. It doesn't really show that much with this current setup, but still looks a lot better than it did earlier. Waiting for the computer to boot up, see if it's gonna come up with any problem. No, memory or the RAM has been detected. Let me just set everything here. Yeah, so we're up and running. Everything's good to go. Yeah, there's the RAM. It looked green and ugly originally, but now it looks way better. May not have RGB on it, but hey, it still looks really, really nice. I'll try to zoom this out. Oh, the lens doesn't have any zoom. But yeah, let me shine the light on that. You can see how it looks like. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, computer's booting up. we're good to go. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit like and subscribe. I upload every time I can. So I'm just going to give you a closer look. Yeah, there we go. There, that's how it looks like. Alright, looks really nice. Not bad for 58 pesos, eh? So yeah, have a great day. Peace.